For every hour an F-35 it's in the air, it takes 22 man-hours to keep it flying. When the parts aren't being processed properly because you don't have the information that you need, it impacts aircraft availability. Any way that we can find to reduce maintenance time is critical to increasing fleet readiness. SBIR has developed an innovative way to rapidly determine the health of coating removal solutions. What Solustat does is it provides a direct method of measuring the process by actually following the electrons as they move through the chemical solution. So it acts like it's a real part being run through the process, telling you performance in a fraction of the time without risking your valuable aerospace parts.
Over at SBIR Engineering, we're developing Solustat into two different form factors. We've got a small, compact lab unit that can be operated on site at a laboratory that's operated by the user. And we're also developing a larger industrial Solustat that can be installed in line with the chemical process. And it can autonomously collect data and performance measurements and provide that to the engineer on a regular basis. Caston, who's our technical point of contact for this project, is the process engineer at Tinker Air Force Base. He is responsible for the technical documentation as well as the operational suitability for the chemical processes that the propulsion maintenance group operate. For the vast majority of the life of this particular project, he has been the engineer who is essentially responsible for maintaining the tanks. He was very, very happy to get more tools and better data.
Currently, the operators are just stripping the parts by immersing them in a bath. And then the chemists in the lab will take samples, usually on a weekly basis, to check for pH or the constituent chemicals concentrations. On a monthly basis, they'll check for known contaminants. If there is a contaminant in there and we don't know to look for that specific contaminant, we can see failures. With the Solustat, within 10 minutes, they can get information about the stripping rate, the safety to the substrate for the parts. If this technology didn't exist, we'd see increased costs to maintaining our parts. Having to replace our stripping baths on a higher frequency would drive up costs.
The number one thing really people should know about the technology and about SBIR in general is that Solustat and other technologies that come out of the SBIR program are able to be sole sourced. The purpose of the SBIR program is to create new technologies that solve problems for the DoD. If the warfighter can't use these great new technologies because they're stuck in a long drawn-out procurement process, it's not meeting the mission. If Solustat or another SBIR developed technology can help your people, you can get it. It's easy, and local SBIR program offices are there to help you.